Today I wanted to share with you another challenge that we got sent in a few weeks ago, and it was how do we prioritize? In real estate there's so many things to do, and I like to say a lot of it is fake work, but we need to make sure that we're focused on the most dollar productive activities we can at all times. And the best way to do that is to do a simple project management system of prioritizing your top action that you need to take or execute on in the next 12 weeks. Let's give, for example, seller lead generation. With the market that we're in across our country, listings are at an all-time low. So if that's our number one focus, then we can back into it and say, okay, if I need to work on that as my top priority for the next 12 weeks, what can I do each week, write out a plan, and what can I do each day to execute on increasing my seller lead generation? Do I market to my database? Do I make more calls? Do I time block working on the business and then prospecting? And the answer is yes to all of those, but less is always more. So you have to break everything down that you do and say, what's my number one priority? Otherwise, you're going to be end up doing a bunch of fake work and get scattered, and that's what happens in real estate. So your priorities should be sometimes just one, and at the most, generally 3 things that you want to work on. So I hope that helps. Paul Wheeler, Servant Heart Selling. Let's go put the service back in selling this week.